Hi friends, I am coming on to show you what I received for the Baking Spirits Bright swap that I joined this December. I received this adorable gift from Jenny Worthington. She's Jen Made It on YouTube and I believe Instagram as well. And we had to make some Baking Spirits Bright was the name of the swap, and we had to make some baking themed items. And let me show you what I received. So first of all, for my sweet treat, I received this cute package of gingerbread men cookies, which is really cute. This bag topper is adorable with a tiny bow. And then for the trinket box, she made this cute little box with a felt gingerbread and some foam gumdrops and some sparkly decorations on it. Very cute. This came apart, but it goes back together. So I received some cute Christmas-shaped brads, snowflakes, trees, candy canes, some peppermint beads, some cute cabochons with gingerbread men. This one's really cute. It's very three-dimensional. These are some, they look handmade. I'm not really sure where she got these, but they're popped up on foam tape and they're just little paper embellishments. Then we have some really cute little buttons. I particularly love this cupcake, and there's gingerbread men in there. And then over here is just a bunch of really cute cabochons. I've never seen these kind before. They're painted and it's so tiny, but they're really cute. And I love those. I love that selection of trinkets. So I took everything out of the plastic already because I always have a lot of glare with when I'm filming. But I love this little gingy bag. It's super cute. I think I saw these either at Dollar Tree or Dollar General, and I wanted to pick them up, and I don't know why I didn't because I thought they were so cute. So the first thing she gifted me was for her, crafty gift. She gifted me these die cuts that are a gingerbread mug with some, whipped cream and chocolate on it. And then this adorable teapot that looks kind of like a gingerbread house with a cherry and sprinkles. Very, very cute. Then the Memdex, which I love this Memdex. I was going to pick up this mixer myself, a die this December, and I didn't do it, but I just think this is so adorable. There's little paper cookies and gingerbread, a shiny bowl, and a cute tiny little sentiment there with a oven mitt and a rolling pin and her information. No, there's no address or anything, just her information, which is Jen Made It. She has an Etsy shop, YouTube, and Instagram. So that's an adorable memory dex. Then she gifted me these cute three-dimensional measuring spoons, and they have the tiniest little bead fill in there that I've ever seen. So they're really cute. They're cut with 2 layers of foam. Super cute. Hangs on a little baker's twine. And then she made some shakers, some cute gingy shakers, a girl and a boy. And they have a really cute little sequin mix with tiny little gingerbread houses and gingerbread men. Love that. Love these a lot. Can't wait to use them next year. Then she gifted some gingerbreads decorated with puffy paint. And, they're just little embellishments that you can put on anything. You can put it on a tag. You can punch a hole and hang string out of it. You can put them on projects and boxes and stuff. Very cute. And then for our beaded item, she sent me this beautiful pokey tool. And I'm so excited because I do not have one of these. I was really, you know, ever since I started swapping, which is only this year, except for one other time, excuse me, I've been hoping to receive a pokey tool like this, and I just love this. I love the striped beads, the gingerbread men, and this adorable gingerbread house focal bead. So I am going to be using this like crazy because I really needed one of these. So, and then this cute felt bag was what she packaged it in. So thank you, Jenny. I love everything. Your crafting came out adorable, and thanks everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.